I'm going to show you how to place a sliding door back on its tracks when it's been kicked off. First tip is we're not going to adjust the rollers on the bottom of the screens. We want to make sure we do the adjustments on the top rollers. So here we can see we've got the rollers at the top from the outside. We actually want to go in from the inside to adjust them. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver because we need to get this wheel down to be able to put it back in its tracks as they're spring loaded. So what you just need to do is put your Phillips head screwdriver anti-clockwise to get this in a spring motion. So it's handy if you've got some extra hands to help if it's a heavy door, which in this case it is. So what we're going to do now is put the door back on its tracks, but first I need to go down, and if the bottom wheel is locked, we need to leave it locked. Otherwise, we simply just push up the spring wheel to inside the frame so it makes it easier for us, and we simply now put the top of the frame inside the top track and put it on the track. And now we have the sliding door back on its tracks, and we've just got to now adjust the top wheels to make it nice and secure. And now we turn clockwise to tighten and adjust the rollers in the top of the frame. And now we've got the sliding screen door back on its tracks.